Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the NEET Doubt Class 4 on the cell biology. This series comprises the doubt that has been received from the students. So the two main important question has been retrieved from the centriole structure and the flagella. So first we shall be reading the question, then we shall discuss the figure, how it looks, then again we'll come to the question. Now see, what is the angle between two microtubular triplet in the centriole? That means they are asking the question regarding the microtubular triplet and the structure and the angle in between. And second question are dealing with what is the ratio of the microtubules in the centrioles and flagella. So you know these things very simply that when the cell having the locomotory properties, you can think of this one like a boat is moving in the fluid with the help of oars. In the same way, when the cell is in the fluid, if the environment of a cell is surrounded by the fluids, so they can use this locomotory structure, cilia and the flagella. And you can see here this structure. Let me take the color. I will take one color so that you can focus on it. Yes. So as you have a one cell and you know these things like a cilia and flagella could emerge. So flagella is a little bit longer than the cilia in most cases, and the origin of this cilia or flagella that is originated from the basal bodies, as you know, and basal body is nothing but a modified centrioles. So this is the structure that we have studied in the cell biology. So the basal body is modified centriole, and we know that the centriole have the 9+0 cartwheel model. Like if you take the cell here and you can see the cilia or flagella, the propagation, and the surrounding part is actually nothing but a extension of the cell membrane, and this inner core part is called as an axoneme. So axoneme, AXONEME, and it is surrounded by the cell membrane. But here the basal body and the centriole that is having the 9+0, that means 9 continuous triplet from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triplet microtubules connected to the center with a spoke. So that is the radial spoke. I think you have checked out the figure in the NCERT, that is the radial spoke, and at the hub, the center or the hub, there is no microtubules. But in case of a cilia or flagella, they are having 9+2 arrangement. That means 9 doublet and 2 microtubules at the center. Strikingly, the structure of flagella in bacteria differs from the eukaryotic in different way. Like eukaryotic flagella, it uses ATP for the movement, but in case of a bacteria, it uses the proton gradient pump. So there are some structural protein arrangement differences and the utilization of the energies and the movement patterns. Bacterials are more likely to have a rotational movement like that. So now we can come to the question. So what is the main concept in cilia and flagella? You have 9+2 arrangement of this cilia or flagella. So that means total number of protein here, that is doublet. So 9 × 2 plus 2, that means 20 microtubules are there in the section of the axoneme in case of a cilia and flagella. But in case of basal bodies and centrioles, you have a 9+0 array, and each and every section having triplet. So 9 × 3, total number of microtubules is 27. Now let's come to the question. What is the angle between the microtubular triplet in the centrioles? I will take some lighter color so that you can see. I will change the ink color here. So total 9 number of arrangements are there. So that means you are you are sectioning the entire circle in 9 segments. So you know the total angle of a circle is a 360 degree. Now you are sectioning it accordingly. So 9, you have to divide it by the 9. So 40 degree will be the angle between each and every, that is the theta, that is the angle between 2 microtubular triplet. So these are all in triplet. So this is the angle. So definitely you have this answer. And what is the ratio of the microtubule centriole? So in centriole, it is 9 plus 0 and it is triplet in nature. So 3 cross 9 equals to 27. And in case of flagella, it is 9 plus 2 arrangement. So 9 is in the doublet. So 9 cross 2 plus 2, that is 20. So directly your answer is 27 is to 20. This is how we have to answer. This is the short question series from the cell biology. Thanks for watching. You can get all the videos from the playlist. You can send me your doubts in the WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you so much.